Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 18 Mutation. नमस्कार स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज हम इस सीरीज़ में आगे बढ़ते हुए चैप्टर 18 म्यूटेशंस के शॉर्ट नोट्स क्विक रिवीजन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, जो आपको ARS नेट ICR SRF GRF के एग्ज़ाम में बहुत हेल्पफुल आते हैं लास्ट टाइम के रिवीजन के लिए। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर 18 म्यूटेशन. The term mutation was coined by Hugo de Vries in 1900 in Oenthura lamarckina. Question asked in ICR GRF 2004. The first report of mutation was given by Seth Wright in 1791 when he developed Ancon breed of sheep. Systematic studies on mutation began in 1910 by Morgan in Drosophila for white-eye mutant. A unit of mutation is known as mutant. Question asked in ICR GRF 2004. Muller used X-ray in Drosophila in 1927 and Stadler used X-ray on barley and maize in 1929 to study mutation. A mutation which is not induced by mutagenic agent is known as spontaneous mutation. Question asked in ICR GRF 2004. The rate of spontaneous mutation is very low, that is 10 to the power minus 8 to 10 to the power minus 10 per nucleotide per generation for forward mutation in different gene of virus and bacteria. The rate of spontaneous mutation is 10 to the power minus 4 to 10 to the power minus 7 per gene per generation. In general, spontaneous mutation rates are comparatively higher in eukaryotes than in prokaryotes. Theory of mutation was given by Hugo de Vries. Question asked in ARS 2007. Non-ionizing radiation are UV rays. IRI 2000 क्वेश्चन. और आप जानते हैं कि आयनाइजिंग रेडिएशन में आता है एक्स रेज. Gamma rays is a non-particulate physical mutagen. NTG, N-methyl, N-nitrosamine is one of the most powerful chemical mutagen. Ethyl methane sulfonate is a mutagenic chemical, EMS. Nitric oxide act as a mutagen, ICR GRF 2003 question. Point mutations are caused by base analog. Question asked in the ARS NET 2001. Ethidium bromide leads to frame shift mutation due to intercalation effect, ICR GRF 2003 question. Frame shift mutation is because of addition or deletion of bases, ARS NET 2001, 2007 and IRI 2003 question. So it is very important question for your examination. Frame shift mutation. फ्रेम शिफ्ट म्यूटेशन में आपका पूरा जो है वो फ्रेम कोडिंग सीक्वेंस का चेंज हो जाता है. एक्रीडीन डाई जिसमें आता है एक्रीफ्लेविन, प्रोफ्लेविन, ICR 170, ICR 191 लीड टू फ्रेम शिफ्ट म्यूटेशन, IRI 2005. एडिशन और डिलीशन ऑफ अ जीन इज नोन एज लीकी म्यूटेशन, IRI 2001. ट्रांजिशन व्हेन प्यूरीन्स आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय purines and pyrimidines by pyrimidines, this is known as transition type of mutation. The intercalating agent base analog lead to transition type of mutation, IRI 2003 question. Base analog cause mutation by base substitution, ICR GRF 2004 question. 5-bromouracil, a base analog of thymine, produces ATGC and GCAT transitions, are similarly 2-aminopurine does, but it induces ATGC transition specifically. Hydroxylamine induces only GCAT transition. Substitution of adenine by guanine is known as transition. Because a purine is substituted by a purine, then this is called transition. ICR JRF 2000 question. Then again transversion. In this process, purines are replaced by pyrimidines and pyrimidines are replaced by purines. Question asked in ICR JRF 2001. Translocation. The process of integration of a segment of one chromosome into a non-homologous chromosome is called translocation. ICR JRF 2001 question. Chromosome abbreviation in which there occur two breaks in a chromosome and the intercalary segment is joined back in reverse order is known as inversion. Then the pericentric inversion contains the centromere within the inverted segment, whereas paracentric inversion does not do so. In pericentric inversion में आपका centromere within the inverted segment में present होता है. Okay, move to next. A single mutation in the overlapping gene would often result in the loss of activity of both the gene and thus generates pleiotropic gene. Suppressor mutation lead to wild type of character. IRI 2003 question. Two alleles of a gene are located in the same gene if their cis heterozygote produce the wild type phenotype, while trans heterozygote produce mutant phenotype. But if both cis and trans heterozygotes have wild phenotype, they are located on two different genes. Okay. Dominant mutation does not show complementation in cis form. ICR JRF 2000 question. Mutation in the structural gene may lead to gene function loss. IRI 2003 question. Most tolerant to mutation is 2N. IRI 2001 question. In general, the frequency of mutations shows a linear relationship with the dose of irradiation irrespective of the intensity of irradiation. Mutation having negligible effect on the function of gene is known as silent mutation. TILling. Target induced local lesion in genome induced by mutation. Example ethyl methyl sulfonate etc. This टिलिंग का क्वेश्चन अभी रिसेंटली 3 जुलाई 2025 में जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था उसमें इसका फुल फॉर्म पूछा गया था IRI SRF JRF PhD के एग्ज़ाम में कि व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ टिलिंग. टारगेट इंड्यूस्ड लोकल लेजन इन जेनोम. Chaperone disease in human beings is caused due to mismatch pairing of bases. ARS NET 2001 question. Up and down mutations occur in promoter region. ARS NET 2001, IRI 2003 and 4. Amber codon is UAG. The nonsense codon UAA lead to occur mutation, UGA lead to opal and UAG lead to umber mutations. These three are the stop codons: ochre, umber, opal. So guys, these all are about the short revision of mutations and the key points which you have to remember for your examinations, and these are very important.